Dominate your friend in a head-to-head FIFA 23 showdown right on your Nintendo Switch with this quick guide. First, power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the FIFA 23 game icon using the joystick. Once you found it, press it to launch FIFA 23 and wait for the game to load. On the main menu, select Kickoff Mode. This is your go-to for local multiplayer matches. Now, this is important. Have both players press the L and R buttons simultaneously on their respective Joy-Cons or controllers. This will activate them for player selection. Each player will now be able to select their favorite team. Use the joystick to browse and press it to confirm your choice. After team selection, customize your kits if you want. You can change to the home, away, or even classic kits. Before kicking off, customize the match settings to your liking. Change the match length, difficulty level, and rules to create the perfect experience. Review the team lineups and make any last-minute adjustments before you hit the field. And you're in. Now get ready to battle it out for bragging rights and enjoy your two-player FIFA 23 experience on the Nintendo Switch.